Welcome back. This is Chapter 5, Section 5 in the Algebra 2 notes. This is, I believe, Part 8 of the notes. It's getting long, but we still need to finish these checkpoint problems. Number 3 is a factoring problem. You know one factor. You're told that x plus 2 is a factor, and you need to fully factor it. We are going to do this using synthetic substitution. But again, we need a lot more space, so I'm going to have to clear the board, rewrite the problem. We will take it from there. Here we go. We have to factor this large cubic polynomial. We are told one of the factors, a small factor. Because x plus 2 is a factor, we can use synthetic substitution with that information to help us out. Negative 2 is the number that would go in the box. The numbers across the top would be 3, 8, 3, and negative 2. These are the coefficients from the polynomial. Now, as we do this, 3 comes down for free. As it moves up to the next row, it multiplies by negative 2 to make negative 6. And then it adds to make 2. As it goes to the next row, it multiplies by negative 2 to become negative 4. It adds to become negative 1. As it goes to the next row, it multiplies by it multiplies by negative 2 to become positive 2. And that adds to make 0. Again, if you know that something is a factor, you need to end up with 0. It's a sign that you did it right. So, we know that x plus 2 is a factor. We were told that. But also now we know that 3x squared plus 2x minus 1 is what's left over after you factor that out. We got this information from the quotient. Now we need to factor this quadratic. Factoring quadratics is sometimes tricky, sometimes easy, but a little bit of work and you will get that this one is 3x minus 1 x plus 1. Of course, foiling it out would verify the quadratic works. Superfoiling it all would verify that you get the original cubic. Nevertheless, this right here is the answer to having fully factored this cubic.